solution. Drive you crazy. Institution.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Mighty Well. We are back with another video. I don't know how long this is gonna hold on the mount, so I'm about to drive and the mount's kind of messed up, but today's video I'm heading back to the muffler shop. Looks like I lost a bet to one of my subscribers, and basically in that bet it said if this video, my last straight pipe video, gets over 30 likes, I have to go catless. So I had already planned to get my test pipes after the intakes that are coming up. So overall, I mean, doesn't really matter. So guess I'm about to go check out and see how much it costs first. Because if I go there, want to get some tips also. Some exhaust tips for my boy out there. So yes, we headed back to Coachella. See that nice little cold start. Z's still loud as shit. It's about to be 20 times louder, so neighbors still hate me, not help me, hate me, so I don't really care. Yeah, and that's the plan for today. And then most likely gonna hit up the gym with Isaac. You know how that goes, and some other stuff. So right now, headed to the gas station actually. Yeah, I'm in my neighborhood right now. So you already know my neighbors hate me. Ooh, that sunlight. It's loud as crap. So the straight pipes right now are holding on really good. It backfires and pops a lot. So I'm gonna make this like a slight little vlog-ish type, since I'm going to get them, and if when I get them done, then I'll make a separate video, you know, just to show like more clips, flybys, and all that. I'll actually get regular flybys and stuff. Damn, I should have got some tints in the front. Yeah, so that also, I got the tints and it looks really nice. Let me hurry up and see if I can make it to this gas station before this tank goes out on me again. I'm on EE, so hopefully it doesn't go out. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna insert the person's name who asked me for this bet. And you know, I took on the bet because honestly I wanted to go catless. I have a friend online who went catless on his Z. It backfires and pops now, but his backfires and pops a lot. It's still cold, so, and I have no gas, so had to get that little pull in for you guys. I know I'm talking a lot in this beginning part, but I haven't made a video in a while, so getting back in the feels. But let me end it here. Catch y'all when I get to Coachella muffler shop. I know you can't really see me, but it's your boy. I'm out.
Big castles.
Yep.
Yeah.
Damn.
So the way we have.
Nah, man, that would be OC.
Nah, it's too unicornish. That'll be pretty talk right there.
Alright guys, so I'm thinking cutting the cats, they're going right now. And then we're gonna replace them, put another sensor on there. So hopefully no check engine light, and then tips. Some fiery tips right here. We do one blue, one chameleon. Or maybe just two blue, I don't know. purple, the blue inside. This thing is fire. The purple.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Yeah, the purple we'll see.
Yeah, because the blue is good, but I just look like your bumper.
Yeah. Yeah. And the purple just pops. Especially you see the blue and the purple too. Yeah. CATLESS.
I wanna get that.
Kids. Yeah, man, hold Alright guys, as you see, the exhaust tips are on, the cats are gone, and we're about to test this joint on the way home. Hopefully this mount doesn't fall. It might not, but hopefully it doesn't. This thing is loud. Wish I could roll down my windows. Shit. Thing almost hit me, but yeah, it's loud as shit. Can't roll down the windows. Just got tints the other day. Two things back to back. Yo, I'm excited. I'm really excited. I can't wait to floor it right here. I'm just gonna get a few little on my drive home exhaust, let's say, clips together with you guys. I'm too excited. I can't even speak right now. It was cold as shit out there. This thing is loud as crap. It's gonna be even louder after a couple days of driving it. I'm excited. Yeah, man. Loud as shit. Wow. I thought it was loud before. I'm about to cut it here. Show y'all a little walk around, of course, when I get home. But man, this shit is loud as fuck. Right, guys, I'm out. Look at them tips in the sunlight, baby. Oh my God. It's like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Zach's here now. Look at this. This thing is nasty. You can see the lid sticking out a little bit. Loving it with the tints. This joint is loud as crap. Yeah, but it's your boy Mighty Well. We signing out, Slim.